Man, you took the door off? Easy access, or it says do that? It says do that. Oh, it says do that? It must be something over here.
The whole casing come out.
So the door had no choice but to come out.
And the chair.
And the damn. So the doors and the chair, the doors on both sides?
The air duct. The air duct go under the seat.
So again, you had no choice.
And that chair got special screws for these seats too, bro.
For what seats?
Yeah, look at the sockets I need to use for this shit.
Oh, it ain't no torque bits?
Look at it. It's on top. Special sockets.
Special sockets. Look like a torque bit.
Yeah, but it's square.
What's the name of them? Oh, it's not a like a T30. Damn. So you had to go buy these just to get this on?
Chris had it.
Chris must have already had this problem. What's the nut at? Underneath?
The nuts right there. I left them screwed in with the seat.
Oh, they go from the bottom?
No, okay.
What you talking about? Oh. Damn. Dude, it's got to be a name to this.
I don't know. A hex torque.
You don't know the name? All right. Let me put my people on the case. Anybody in the comment section can tell me he had to go borrow this tube from another mechanic. You know the rule, 3 borrow rule, and you gotta go buy your own. You think you ain't gonna never use it? Your next car gonna be a heater core. Special sauce, lettuce, cheese, special. All right, anybody? You know I got 200-some-thousand subscribers. Surely somebody has heard or familiar with this. All right, let me let my man get back to work. I want to go see this heater core and see that he diagnosed it right. What y'all think? He probably didn't even diagnose it right. Oh, you ain't have to take out much over here. Huh? Where's the old heater core? Don't try to hide it. Ah, man. See? Well specialized, guys. But whatever we get, we do. Thank goodness he didn't dispatch this to me. I'll be crying. Oh, if anybody want to know, here's where they hiding the star connectors. So the center console that go right here. This is where you can find. Oh, you even got them in place. Star connects. Just in case anybody want to know. All right. In fact, I'm gonna make a shorts video on that. A lot of people always call me, "Hey, what is star connect, man?" I don't know. They hide them all over the place on different cars. But more power to this dude. Now I want to see the heater core. Did he make the right call? Oh, it's over here. Let's go look at it, guys. What y'all think? This guy's pretty good. He ain't no JT. Oh, you got it right, dude. Come on, man. So what happened? They wasn't doing their coolant flushes on time? Yeah, we'll blame it on that. All right, guys. Stay on top of your coolant flushes. If not, this could happen. No, serious. Stay up on your coolant flush. I don't know. So it was cooling inside the housing? What symptoms you got? Smelling coolant. Oh damn. This the only thing you can trace it to? So if you sniff in the vents, you would smell coolant. Dried up coolant all on the module underneath the housing. That gave it away. Y'all are getting a chance to hear firsthand high-tech experienced techs discuss. This is really confidential information y'all hearing, all right? Yeah, this is G14 classified type stuff we talking about over here. Yeah, FBI type stuff. We shouldn't even be talking. Y'all shouldn't even be hear that, but that's how I do my subscribers. I love y'all, man. I let y'all in on the top secrets, everything, just in case y'all want to do this, get into this industry. Whew, you might want to think hard. All right, guys, I gotta go. More power to this dude. He's a better man than me, because I would still be over here crying. But I saw him turning it apart early. I didn't know he finished. He said he got it in. Obviously, yeah, it's in. So now come the fun part. I still don't know what year this is and how many miles. Hey, how many miles on this? Damn. So it's about right at 135. Yeah, 135, eh? No telling what you're going to get at 135,000 miles. So I was wondering if you had the battery disconnected. You know, you be kind of reckless. One of them young mechanics, they be pulling the engine out with the battery still connected. Don't do that, guys.
See the inside, bro?
Yeah, that dude.
That's crazy.
He a bad dude.
Yeah, I mean, hell, taking it out.
I know, right?
Going back in.
All right, guys, I got to go have enough fun for the day. I'm out. Thanks for watching.